Hey there! Today we're diving into the fascinating world of Romans chapters 11 to 16, key passages from a letter penned by the Apostle Paul. Whether we're new to the Bible or a seasoned reader, there's so much to discover. Romans 11 starts with a deep assurance. God has not rejected his people, Israel. Paul explains that just as he, an Israelite, believes, so can others, a remnant chosen by grace. In verse 17, Paul uses the analogy of an olive tree, teaching that Gentiles are like wild branches grafted in among the natural branches, reflecting unity and shared spiritual blessings. Chapter 12 is all about transformation and practical living. It kicks off with a powerful call to offer ourselves as living sacrifices, holy and pleasing to God. Paul lists gifts like prophecy, teaching, and serving, emphasizing that love is sincere, clinging to what is good. Verse 21 is key. Do not be overcome by evil, but overcome evil with good. In chapter 13, Paul urges us to respect authorities, explaining they're instituted by God for justice. He stresses the command to love your neighbor as yourself. Summing it up in verse 10, love does no harm to a neighbor. Therefore, love is the fulfillment of the law. Romans 14 encourages acceptance, advising against judging others over disputable matters. Paul highlights in verse 13 the importance of not putting a stumbling block in the way of others. He promotes peace and mutual edification, urging us to do what leads to harmony. Chapter 15 continues with the theme of unity as Paul urges believers to accept one another, just as Christ accepted us. He speaks of Christ as a servant to the Jews and a light to the Gentiles. This theme of combined praise resounds through verses 5 and 6. Finally, in chapter 16, Paul greets many individuals who are co-workers in Christ, showcasing the importance of community and collaboration. He warns against those causing divisions and commends the faith and obedience shown by the believers. So there you have it, a roadmap of how grace, unity, and love are woven through these chapters.
They call for transformation in our lives and relationships. Dive deeper, and you'll find even more pearls of wisdom hidden within. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more explorations like this.